Here is how to log in on Zoosk. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can log in on Zoosk. So let's start. First of all, go to the Zoosk website, which is zoosk.com. Then after, you'll come to a page like this. As you enter the website, you'll find the options to sign up or log in. Since we are trying to log into our account, tap on the login option that you can see on the top. After that, you'll have to enter your login details. So enter your email address and password, verify that you are a human, and then tap on login. However, if you have created your account using your Facebook account or your Google account, you can simply tap on these options and then directly log in. So considering you have created your account using your Google account, tap on login with Google. Then select the account that you used while creating your account. As you do that, it might load for some time and then you will be successfully logged into Zoosk. So in this way, you can easily log in on Zoosk. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.